Hello, good day, Mom and Sir. I am Ronaldin Dulay, 25 years old, single, and have one son, age 1 year old. I am a college graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I want to work abroad to support my family and give them a better future. I have an experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years. I only cook Filipino food, but I am willing to cook Cantonese, Chinese, and Arabic food. My duties and responsibilities as a housemaid here in the Philippines are cleaning the house, doing laundry, ironing clothes, cooking, and taking care of children. I can take care of children, play with them, help them in school needs, and ensure their safety. I am a jolly person, a hardworking, patient, honest, and I can follow instructions well. Mom, sir, if you hire me, I will do my best to serve the family with dedication, love, and respect. And I will treat you as my own family. Thank you.